So what are the bars like on the Grandiosa? Are there plenty of bars? Can you enjoy a drink anywhere? I'll tell you. Hi, I'm Jan Bridge and I'm the Cruise Queen. On the Grandiosa there are lots of bars and almost every deck has a bar on it, but there are some which I liked more than others. First of all, I think the bar we hung out in the most was the Champagne Bar, which is on the same deck as the casino, just outside the casino. As you come outside the casino or outside the lifts by the casino, it's on both the right and the left, but the seating on the left and the bar itself is on the right. And they do champagne, of course, being a champagne bar, and oysters. I don't drink champagne because I don't drink fizz, but they were able to get my wine and a vodka for me, which was great. And they were wonderful at the bar, I have to say. And they looked after us brilliantly. And they had a bottle of my husband's brandy and his favourite port under the counter, so that when we were there, he could get the drink that he wanted. So the Champagne Bar, a definite place to go. The staff are wonderful. There's plenty of seating area and bar area where you can sit up there on a stool and enjoy. Another bar that we really liked was the English pub. I guess it's an English pub. It's up on the second story of the promenade on the same side as the Butcher's Cut, and it's lovely. It's very oldie worldy, and they've got lots of different beer in there. And again, I could get my wine, which made me very happy. You can sit outside. The nice thing about having bars and restaurants on that top area of the promenade is that you can sit out on seats and look at the promenade itself, watch the world go by while you are sitting there having a drink or a meal. So that's absolutely lovely. So that was another bar. Another place that we frequented was the Sky Bar. The Sky Bar is, as it sounds, at the top, and you can go and sit up there and oversee the pool, which is lovely. So that's always a nice thing to do. It's very, very quiet up there, very relaxed, and again, you can get everything you like. But the one thing they do up there, which is really cool, is they do like smoking cocktails. I didn't have one because none of them were low carb, but friends of ours did, and they love them. So these cocktails come and they're all smoking. They're just wonderful. So if you want something a wee bit different, head on up to the Sky Bar, and that's where you can enjoy something a little bit different. So there's lots of other bars, and I would recommend whenever you go on any of these ships that you have a wander. The one bar we didn't tend to hang out in this time is a casino bar. In the casino, the bar in the casino was a big round bar, and because of that, it didn't have a bar feel to me. We normally like the casino bar and we hang out there quite a lot, but in the Grandiosa, we didn't feel like it was a friendly casino bar in the same ilk as on other ships. So we didn't tend to hang out. We had a drink or two there, but it just wasn't for us. So not for everybody. So the casino, I might as well mention that while I'm here. The casino, lots of big Chinese type machines. Didn't like it much. Found one or two little old ones which I tended to play on. So all in all, was not my favourite place on the ship, which is a shame because I really enjoy the casino. But bars, yeah, you can enjoy lots of different places to have a drink on the MSC Grandiosa. So if this has been informational or informative, or you just enjoyed it, then click the like button, hit the subscribe button, which is the little round thing with the Cruise Queen on there, and or below, and the notification bell, and I'll talk to you soon. I'm Jan Obridge, I'm the Cruise Queen. Bye.